quite long time, I have wanted to change my LinkedIn cover photo. It's something I kept putting off, but today I finally decided to make it happen. I am so excited to share the new design with you all. Let's get started. I chose a galaxy theme because the vastness of space and the beauty of the stars have always fascinated me. They remind me of endless possibilities and dreams waiting to be explored. This theme feels so personal and inspiring to me. I try to put some creativity into this design. Hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comment section if you liked it, or if you want to share any changes that I can make to look this design more beautiful, or any ideas or recommendations. I would love to hear it from you guys. So let's enjoy the process. here it is, my new LinkedIn cover photo. Uh, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.